In round 14, make 3 single crochets, then a decrease. Repeat this sequence 6 times. By the end of the round, you'll have 24 stitches. Remove the stitch marker and make your first single crochet. Place the stitch marker back. Make 2 more single crochets. Make a decrease. Insert your hook under the front loop of the next stitch, leaving the back loop behind. Without moving the hook, insert it under the front loop of the following stitch. Yarn over and pull through both front loops and complete the decrease. Now make another sequence. Crochet 3 single crochets, then make a front loop decrease over the next 2 stitches. You have completed 2 sequences. Make 4 more to finish round 14. Count your stitches, you should have 24. Now crochet rounds 15 through 18, making 24 single crochets in each round.